This is Jim with Omni Eye. We're here for residence inspection for real estate. No clean out that I could find outside. We went up on the roof. There's a 4-inch vent on the right hand side of the roof and a 2-inch vent on the left hand side. We'll start with the 4-inch and see if that will locate where the clean out is for us. Okay, there's a sweep at the base. Double wide, double combo where the 2 bathrooms are coming in. And looks like that might be the clean out right there. Let's go locate that. Alright, so we got that located on the right hand side of the house. And we marked the bottom of the wall with a small green dot. So now, alright, so it's turning left like it's going out to the back easement. Looks wide open. A little bit of accumulation there on the left and the right. Yeah, it probably needs good cleaning. You can see where the camera's hitting on the left and the right. A lot of grease in there. Needs a good cleaning. I don't know if I'm going to get much further. That's about all we're going to get. Let's go locate that. Alright, so we got that located in the side yard on the right hand side of the residence going out towards the back. And it's about 4 feet off the outside wall. And it was 21 inches deep right there. Marked it on the edge of one of the tiles, one of the patio tiles there. So you can see where we were pushing up against that grease. So, you know, the pipe looks good, except that it's got all that grease in there. So, if it was me, I would dig it up where this clean out is that we located. And then put a small tracer in there and trace it out to the property line, the back vents, and then dig it up by the back fence and put another clean out there. And then while you got those clean outs, excavations open, I would go ahead and pressure clean this line and get all that grease out of there. That way it'll be wide open, because, you know, looking at the cast iron pipe, it looks pretty good. So once you get that grease out, it'll last you another long duration. Alright, so now we're at the left-hand side, 2-inch cast iron stack. And so we'll take a look down line from here. There's a sink inlet. There's another inlet. Might be 2 sinks. Alright, there's a sweep at the bottom of the pipe going underground. A lot of grease in there. There's a turn. I don't know if we're going to get around that turn. We're going to try. Doesn't want to seem to go too easily. I've got all that grease on the lens. I can't see nothing. Yeah, needs cleaning. I can't get it to go any further. It looks like it's okay. It just needs cleaning. And there's no cracks or anything, otherwise this water wouldn't be in there. So you definitely need cleaning on both lines. From the clean out all the way out to the tap, and then from this roof vent to the clean out. So that would be a good project. You can do both of them at the same time. Man, there's a lot of grease on this coming back. There is so much grease. My camera is completely black with grease. Yeah, that's
from the kitchen, I would imagine.
Yeah, is the kitchen on this side?
It is. You're right over top of it.
All right, so that's what it is. It needs a good cleaning, because eventually that's going to be a problem for you.
Right.
It's probably not a problem now.
Okay.
Because keep in mind, you got a 2-inch pipe. It's full of grease. You got, you know, 3/4 of an inch left, an inch.
Right.
It may just work just fine. Thank you for choosing Omni Eye. Bye bye.